In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image proportionally without cropping in Figma using a simple shortcut that saves time and keeps your image looking clean. This is a super useful technique when you want to adjust an image's size without accidentally stretching it or losing important parts of the picture. If you work in Figma regularly, this is one of those small skills that makes your workflow much faster and much easier. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and select the image you want to resize. You can do this whether the image is placed inside a frame, inside a design layout, or sitting on the canvas by itself. Once the image is selected, the easiest way to resize it proportionally is to use the scale tool. On your keyboard, press K. That shortcut opens the scale tool instantly, so you do not have to manually dig through menus or switch tools from the toolbar. Once the scale tool is active, you'll see the image handles appear. Now comes the important part. Instead of dragging from the middle or trying to adjust the image in a way that could distort it, click and drag any corner handle. When you drag from a corner, Figma keeps the image proportions balanced as you resize it. That means the width and height change together, which helps prevent the image from getting squished, stretched, or cropped in a way you do not want. If you want the image smaller, drag the corner inward. If you want it larger, drag the corner outward. As you do this, pay attention to the image edges so you can keep the full photo visible and maintain the correct shape. This is especially helpful for logos, profile images, product photos, screenshots, and any visual where keeping the original proportions matters. If you ever feel like the image is not resizing the way you expected, just make sure you are still using the scale tool and that you are grabbing a corner handle rather than adjusting from the sides. The reason this method works so well is that it gives you a more controlled way to resize while protecting the image from unwanted cropping. It is fast, accurate, and ideal for clean design work. Once you are happy with the new size, simply release your mouse and your image will stay resized proportionally. That's really all there is to it. A quick press of K, a drag from any corner handle, and you can resize an image safely inside Figma without cropping or distortion. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Figma tips, and let me know in the comments what Figma shortcut or feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.